COVID-19 has continued to spread its tentacles across the world. The pandemic has spared none, with doctors, even journalists across India are being infected. Now, with many journalists testing positive in a few states, the Karnataka government too ordered for testing of them. And in the backdrop of the government's order, testing was being conducted for journalists in Mandya. And at close to noon on Saturday, a JDS MLC stormed into the testing center, which led to utter chaos. Take a look at this report.
The number of COVID-19 cases is on the rise across Karnataka. On Saturday, 26 new cases were reported in the state, taking the total number of COVID-19 cases to 500. Mandya has so far reported 16 positive cases. 14 of the 16 cases are from Malavalli and 2 others are related to Nanjangud's Jubilant Life Sciences unit. In the backdrop of the rise in number of COVID-19 cases, the state government had ordered for testing of journalists reporting from the field. Acting on the advice of the state government, the Mandya district administration ordered for testing of journalists in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bhavan in Mandya city's Subhash Nagar locality. On Friday, 15 journalists were tested, and on Saturday, close to 20 journalists were tested in Mandya. Throat swabs and blood samples of all of them were also collected. JDS MLC's Gundagiri in Mandya. JDS MLC abuses journalists. At close to noon, JDS MLC KT Shrikante Gowda, along with his son Krushik Gowda and local residents, stormed into the testing center and protested against the testing of journalists. The JDS MLC shouted at the journalists and healthcare workers at the testing center and abused them. A verbal spat broke out between the journalists and MLC's followers. The MLC abused the journalists who had come for testing and addressed them in singular, disrespecting them in public. Gunda MLC's son assaults journalists. This man on your screen is Krushik Gowda. He might be the son of a powerful politician in Mandya, but what he did on Saturday was shocking and against the law. He assaulted journalists for getting tested for COVID-19 in area he lives in. Following the brutal assault, victimized journalists raised slogans against the JDS MLC and his son. Mandya SP K. Parshuram arrived at the spot and took stock of the situation. The journos filed individual complaints against the MLC, and soon the Mandya West Division Corps filed an FIR against the MLC and his son.
ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಡಳಿತ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಿವಸ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯರು ಕೆಲವರು ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ದೃಶ್ಯಾವಳಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರ ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಲಿಖಿತ ದೂರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ದಾಕ್ಷಿಣ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಜರುಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
The politician and his son are being interrogated. All the accused in the case have been granted bail by JMFC Court Judge of Mandya. The judge has asked the accused to attend court proceedings. Journalists are also among COVID-19 warriors who are on the front line, and the MLC's action against them is indeed condemnable. Ravi Lalipalya for News 9, Mandya.